I'm Thomas Smith, and today we are looking at the Grayl water bottle. So this is a really cool water bottle for camping, for travel, if we're going to a country where you're unsure about the water quality, or I've seen people include these in a go bag or a survival kit. And basically it's a water bottle that has a built-in filter that's actually able to remove not only the sort of tastes and chlorine and that kind of thing that you would get in a basic filter, but Grayl says it can actually take out viruses and bacteria and things from the water. So it can turn, in their words, even like water from a sketchy, or I don't know if they call it sketchy, but rustic, I think they call it, hostile, tap in a foreign country, or even a stream or lake, and remove the nasty things in there. So basically, to use this, it's a sort of looks like a standard water bottle. We're going to start by taking a little handle off the top here, and we're going to pull the bottom piece out. So this is the bottom of it. This is the top of the water bottle. And then there's a little lid on the top here, and we're going to give that a half turn to open it up and let air be able to vent. Now we're going to pour some water in. So let's imagine I took this out of a dirty, stream or something from camping. I'm going to pour that into the bottom piece. You could take this to a faucet again in a country where you're not sure about the water, and there's a little filter cartridge at the bottom of this. So now we're going to fill that with the water. We're going to put this in. Again, make sure that quarter turn so it can vent, and then we're going to push down on this. And you want to get your body weight into it. Really lean on it. You need a hard surface. And it's going to push the filter down through that water and filter it out. And now we can open this up and use it like we would with any other water bottle. We got nice, good tasting. I mean, that's sort of a, it's great for a survival situation to know it can do that intense level of filtering, but also it just makes your water taste better on a day-to-day basis. Super rugged, super strong, kind of a rubberized solid material on there. And I think it's, a really great thing to put in your kit if you're out there camping, if you're not sure about the water quality when you're traveling internationally. It's not too big and bulky. You can put it in a backpack and take it along with you, and just have that peace of mind there. Again, got that nice kind of carrying clip on the side, so it's easy to take that along, and then you can just drink it like you would with any other water bottle. So very cool here.